Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the December add-on kits. These add-ons are to make your Flavors of the Month kit go even further. So you can pick up the cardstock add-on, the pattern paper add-on, or the embellishment add-on, or all three, or any combination. This is a great way to have even more to your collections and be able to create even more projects. So we're going to dig right in and take a closer look at each one of these add-ons. The first add-on we're going to look at is the cardstock add-on. And the cardstock add-on, you get 3 additional cardstocks, 2 of one color, 1 of another, for each one of the 4 collections. So these are not the same colors that are in the Flavor of the Month. These are all different. So for Cartabella's Vintage Christmas, you're going to get double-sided cardstock. So this is a lot of fun. You're going to have this one here that is the red and the green. And then we have the light green and the dark red. So that gives you 6 different colors of cardstock there. For the photoplay paper, Sugar Plum Christmas, you're going to get 1 sheet of Fussy and 2 sheets of Aqua. For the Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Yuletide, you're going to get 1 sheet of Maraschino Red and 2 sheets of Cream Puff. And then for Vicki Bouton's Wrapped in Ribbons, you're going to get 1 sheet of Cherry and 2 sheets of Grass. The next add-on available is the patterned paper add-on. With the patterned paper, you're going to get 2 additional pattern papers for each one of the 4 collections. So again, these are different pattern papers. None of these are repeats from what is in the kit. So starting with Cartabella, A Vintage Christmas, you're going to get this one here that has the little postage stamps with all the Christmas icons. The back is a diamond print on black. This paper is called Letters to Santa. And then we have a gorgeous snowflake on the red. The back is borders of all different kinds of presents. This paper is called Twinkling Lights. For the photoplay paper, Sugar Plum Christmas, we have this one called Sending Cheer, which has all of the sentiments for Christmas along with the nutcrackers and cupcakes and ornaments. The back is this really fun paper. So I would imagine this is probably 6 by 8. So you get a couple of pattern papers and some borders from, ones with words to this adorable little Christmas train. So that would be great on a layout. Then we have this one called Holiday Mail, and it has postage stamps with all different kinds of icons. So this would be fun to cut apart, fussy cut for embellishments. You could also cut it to where this border is at and have like a strip of paper or little blocks. The back is a snowflake on the minty green that is called Holiday Mail. And then for the Simple Vintage Yuletide, we have this one called Holiday Wishes, which is all of the greenery with the mistletoe. The back is a white polka dot on red. And this paper called Comfort and Joy, which has the Old World Santa on this beautiful olive green. And the back is a Christmas plaid in that olive green and red. And then Vicki Bouton's Wrapped in Ribbons. We have this gorgeous poinsettia. And the back is a little snowflake print on white of a green plaid. And the back is a distressed text print with paint and all of that. So one more look at all of your patterned papers and the patterned paper add-on. So be sure to get that added if you love your patterned paper as much as I do. Our last add-on is the embellishment add-on. And this one, of course, you get more embellishments for each one of the 4 collections. Again, no duplicates. So for the Vintage Christmas from Cartabella, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. We have a small scallop border here, a wide border with the poinsettias. Lots of icons. Love Santa and his sleigh and his chair and the little houses and vintage ornaments. For the photoplay paper, Sugar Plums, you're going to get half a pack of the ephemera. So these embellishments here will all vary among the kits, but this is the one that I got. And then for the Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Yuletide collection, you're going to get half of the foam stickers. So you'll get this sheet or the other sheet. And then Vicki Bouton's Wrapped in Ribbons, you're going to get some of the enamel stickers. So I got the stars and the different colors. So that is your embellishment add-on. One more look at all 3 add-ons. Be sure to get these added. Check out all the other available items in the store. There's lots of individual items. There's lots of individual kits as well, or collections from the past. So if you've missed some months, you can go back and grab those. Thanks so much for watching and joining us this year with the Scrap Room, and we can't wait to see what you create with this month's kit.